Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can unprivate your channel on YouTube in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so head over to YouTube, log into your account, and just right from the get-go there's actually no way how you can unprivate your entire channel in 2025 as a content creator. But luckily there is an alternative solution we may apply here to still make your videos go public or to unprivate them. So what you will need to do guys is access YouTube Studio here on your channel. To do that, click on your profile icon, top right corner, select YouTube Studio. After that, inside your studio, head over to content here on the left panel. And after that, go through your list of videos and decide which one of them you would like to unprivate. For example, guys, you will see the current visibility status here. And if one or several of your videos have been privated, you will see that visibility status here. Not public, but private. So to change that status to public, simply click on that arrow down icon and switch from private to public to unprivate a given video. Confirm that by clicking on published in the bottom right corner. And that will do it, guys. That is going to unprivate your video. You may do that for all of your videos on your channel to set their visibility to public. And that's it. That's the solution, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.